Yeah, hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fix Instagram not working problem or Instagram app not opening. So if you find this difficult, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for Play Store. I mean Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you can also go to your App Store. So when you see, just tap on it. I mean this is what I'm talking about. So when you get to your Play Store, you have to wait for the app to load. After that, what you have to do next is for you to tap over here. So tap on the search app section. So tap on that place. So after tapping on that place, what you have to do is to search for IG, or you can type in Instagram. So when you type in IG or Instagram, you are going to see it. So what you have to do is to update it. I mean, you have to click over here. So if your Instagram is not working, or if you're finding any problem on your Instagram, it means you have to update it. So tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, wait for this place to start loading. As you can see, it's loading. So it's going to start loading to 100%. After that, it will reinstall itself on your mobile phone again, and you are going to get the latest version of it. So as you can see, it's loading over here, and it has a 17% over here. So when this percent reach 100%, then you are going to get the latest update. So guys, let's wait. It's going to finish right now. Be patient. Don't skip this part. Don't skip any part of this video. Just watch it, because it's very important. So as you can see, it have updated. So Instagram is reinstalling for new update. So let's wait for it to install. And if you want to contact Instagram, you can check developer contacts section to contact them through their website or through their email also here. And this is also their address. Yeah. So let's check whether it's finished. Still, it's so as we are waiting for it to reinstall, I will teach you how to review on Instagram, or how to comment on the app. So you can click over here. I mean, you can click on the stars over here. So as you can see, you have 5 stars over here. So you can click on each of these stars to give a review, to write a review over here. Review means comment, so you guys can do that if you have any problem. And as you can see over here, it have been updated, so we now have the latest version of Instagram. So what you have to do next is for you to go to your phone and search for settings. So as you can see, this is my settings app. So tap on settings. After that, what you have to do is to search for apps and notification, or other phones we have apps. So when you log into your apps, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. So as we're waiting, let's wait for it to load. My apps are a lot on my phone, that's why it kept long. So when you reach this section, click on see all apps. So when you tap on see all apps, what you have to do is to search for Instagram. So just search for Instagram. When you can't find Instagram, or when you find it difficult to find Instagram, just tap over here and search for Instagram, and you are going to see your Instagram app over here. So tap on the Instagram, and what you have to do next is for you to click on the cache and storage. So when you click over there, what you have to do is to clear cache and also clear data. So after doing that, go back. So as you can see, we are done with it. What you have to do is to restart your phone and also log into your Instagram app, and this problem is going to fix. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platform. Thanks. Bye.